other fly will come in.
Hi everybody. Say hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
Happy Dashera.
Dubai.
So this is our second vlog, and happy Dashera to everybody. Driver is driving a car, and we are all going to where?
Lulu Center.
Festival Plaza, and there is a Lulu, so we need to buy a few things. We have a small puja at home, and that's why we are going to Lulu last moment. We need to buy a few things. And
we have big, mommy, it's fine. A big day of my mommy. Glasses, but fine.
what?
Big day of my sunglasses, but if I can cover my eyes with.
Dada did not buy you a glasses. I think you have already glasses.
But I need it for the sun. He's making lot of light in my eyes.
More than me, these two will talk in the vlog. It's non-stop. It's difficult to stop Navya Nirvan talking. So yes, let's go to Festival Plaza. Here he is. What do you have in your hand?
Butterfly.
Butterfly, the one you gave me on my birthday.
Yes.
And you're a monkey.
Give to mommy.
And here is Kiki. And Sonia. Sonia, say hi.
Take mommy. Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
So we all are going. It's Friday. It's off here, like weekend, Friday and Saturday. In
Hi.
what high? So we have a holiday. We all are going now. Since it's Dashera, we kept a puja at home. So Pandit ji will come and do the puja. We will show you everything. All our friends are coming today for puja. And I will take you to Festival Plaza, and we will show you what we have in Festival Plaza, all the shops, and we'll take you to Lulu, our favorite place. See you later.
Give me the butterfly. Give me the butterfly.
Hi everyone. So we are here standing in a queue.
Blood.
We are here to do a PCR test for Narendra because he's traveling. And we came here in Health Hub, which is in Festival Plaza. So normally what happened, you book before, but as usual he did not book it. So we came here, and there is a QR code. I don't know how much you guys can see. There is a QR code you need to register. It's a drive-through. It's a drive-through place. So he needs to just do a QR scan code, and he can fill the form, and they will do his COVID test. And how much is it? I think it's around 120 or 150 dirhams. How much is in Indian currency? Hanare? Kitna hua Indian currency? 2000 rupees for one test. So we are still in the queue. The cars are moving a little slow. And we will go and do his test first. Then we will go to Festival Plaza inside to buy a few things for our today's puja. And if you really want to know more about, because there are many places here who they are doing a drive-through test. There's Siha as well, but the timing was weird, so that's why we are here. And let's see how long it's gonna take, and I will show you the process. Yeah, I will show you how they're gonna be, like, they will come and do it in the car. So यहाँ पे हम लोग क्यू में खड़े थे, तो कार में ही आके ये लोग टेस्ट करते हैं, एंड सब लोग अपनी गाड़ी में रहते हैं, सो यू डोंट हैव टू लिटरली गेट डाउन एंड डू योर PCR टेस्ट. हम लोगों ने भी किया, लेकिन उन लोगों ने बोला कि वीडियोग्राफी अलाउड नहीं था, तो आई वाज नॉट एबल टू रिकॉर्ड इट. बट नेक्स्ट टाइम इफ आई go somewhere and I have to do the test, I will record and show you guys. Now, is the mall entrance. It's a nice mall to shop around if you want to buy your grocery, or you know, you want to go to IKEA, because we have IKEA also here. So it's a one place where you can get everything. Yeah. So, hi Navya. We are in the mall right now, going up. We are going to eat first. Hi Sonia. So we are going to eat first something, and then we'll go to Lulu. And COVID test is done for him. Since he's traveling, he needs to do that still after even our vaccines. You need to be careful, Navya. So now we are going to the mall to eat something. These three are I'm recording, and it looks little weird because I cannot see anybody is doing what I am doing right now. And might we will go to, I'll show you which place we are going to eat right now. I'll show you. So we have IKEA also here. One day I will come to IKEA for our Diwali shopping, and then I'll show you. Right now we are going to Zaatar to eat our breakfast. Let's see what we are going to order. And what Sonia is having? Chicken.
Mommy, spicy. I said I want to eat cupcake.
Cupcake is here. It's in a cup. It's in a cup. Sonia is giving you. So yes, we are going back. And sorry, I did not take you. मैं लेके नहीं जा पाई आप लोगों को लुलु में, because they said it's not allowed. Video recording and photos are not allowed in Lulu. So next time I will take you to IKEA. We are here in Al Furjan because this is the closest place for us, and we need to buy some sweets for our puja today, and then we'll go back to home and need to prepare everything for today's puja. And I will show you how it's gonna be, because we call one Pandit from Mandir, Pandit ji, and then he will come and he will do the puja for us. Hi Navya.
Hi.
Here, this side. Yeah, so she is sitting there with her glasses on. वो अपने glasses के बिना कहीं नहीं जाती है. So when she goes to school also in the morning, she wears her glasses and goes. Right Navya?
Yes.
Yeah, because she loves her glasses, right?
Yes.
So again, let's go back to home, and then I'll prepare everything and I'll show you how Pandit ji is going to do puja in our house. We normally do that every year, twice a year. Puja करते हैं every 6 months. We try and do it, but आज दशहरा है तो हम लोगों ने सोचा कि why not, you know, let's do something special, and you know, we'll call our friends and have a good time with them and celebrate Dashera with them. तो घर चलते हैं और देखते हैं कि क्या क्या प्रिपरेशन करनी है, क्योंकि मुझे अभी प्रसाद भी बनाना है. I did not make it yet. तो मैं प्रसाद बनाऊंगी जाके, and सारा चीज़ें अरेंज करूंगी मंदिर में. I have to keep everything ready by 3 o'clock, and it's already 12:15. For our puja, kids are excited because of the sitting arrangement, because we never had this kind of sitting arrangement, and that's how it looks. We managed to keep all our bedsheet outside. Mandir, here you don't have to buy everything for puja. Pandit ji comes and he brings everything from flowers to puja samagri to everything. सब कुछ लेकर आते हैं पंडित जी, and हम लोग सिर्फ मिठाई और थोड़े फ्लावर्स एंड प्रसाद घर में बनाते हैं. प्रसाद बन चुका है. हाय नव्या. प्रसाद बन चुका है, मैंने बना दिया है. दोनों बच्चे कार्टून में बिजी हैं जब तक पंडित जी नहीं आते. अभी टाइम हुआ है 1:15. पंडित जी आएंगे 3 बजे, and then आज आपको पूरा पूजा में आप लोग भी हैं, आप सब लोग का वेलकम है। दशहरा पूजा में हम लोग घर में पूजा कर रहे हैं, एज आई मैंशन, एंड आई विल ऑल ऑफ यू आई विल शो इट टू यू। यहाँ पे पंडित जी मिल जाते हैं बहुत इजीली। यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा मंदिर है बरदुबाई में, जहाँ से पंडित जी मिल जाते हैं। आप फ़ोन करो, वो आते हैं सब सामान लेकर, and you know they do really nice puja at home, and sometimes you want to actually do it because you need that sort of peace. This is my mandir. Are you ready? So yes, everything is set. Finally पंडित जी आ चुके हैं घर में, and वो थोड़ा सा अरेंजमेंट कर रहे हैं, and पूजा भी सब शुरू होने वाला है थोड़ी देर में। and yes, सब कुछ रेडी है, मैं रेडी हूँ अपना साड़ी पहन के। Look at my sari I'm wearing after almost a year, because last I wore my sari on Diwali, that green sari. I will post a picture, I will show you, and how I was so big, and thank God I lost some weight, and trying to lose more. Let me just switch on the light. Yeah, and yes, as I said, everything is ready. I am ready, kids are ready, husband is ready, Pandit ji is also almost ready. So yes, everything is getting ready for our Satyanarayan Bhagwan Puja. It's a Satyanarayan Bhagwan Puja today. We are keeping it on, we kept it on Dashera because it's a special occasion, it's a big day for everybody, and to do something extra on a big day it's a special blessings, right? So just come along and take blessings from Satyanarayan Bhagwan, Vishnu Bhagwan, and being with Rashmi, be with Rashmi all the time. And thank you very much guys, you guys are liking my first video. There was nothing much to show, and to be very honest, I did not record anything much. It was very random first vlog, but in my second vlog and now in continuation, I will try and show you and tell you about things here, and show you Navya Nevan's journey, how it started, and there'll be a lot of things to see, I'm sure. And right now I'm just standing next to my bathroom and holding the phone. It's not easy how all the bloggers they do vlogging. Anyways, तो थोड़ी देर में पूजा शुरू होने वाला है, एंड आई एम श्योर आप लोग कहीं नहीं जाएंगे, पूजा में अटेंड करेंगे हम लोगों के साथ, एंड आई विल टेक यू अराउंड, या बी विद मी प्लीज़। तो यहाँ पे पंडित जी ने एक मंदिर बना दिया है, एक बहुत सुंदर मंदिर उन्होंने बनाया, जबकि वो सब कुछ खुद ही करते हैं। हमेशा से ऐसा ही होता है कि वो आते हैं और फिर खुद मंदिर बनाते हैं, और यहाँ से पूजा उन्होंने शुरू किया।
Yes, to live there.
रुद्राय पशुपतये कर्णाजामा अवलिप्ता रौद्रानभोरूपा पार्जन्या। Can't they give you shower? We are giving shower too.
But Papa.
Ganesh and Lakshmi. Now Lakshmi ji. Om Gange cha Yamune chaiva Godavari Saraswati.
तो जैसे कि आपको पता है कि सत्यनारायण भगवान की कथा के 5 अध्याय होते हैं, तो धीरे धीरे करके हम सब लोगों ने कथा सुना पूरे 5 अध्याय, एंड उसके बाद पंडित जी ने कथा के बाद जो आरती होता है सत्यनारायण भगवान का, वो यहाँ पे शुरू किया, जो कि आप सब लोग अभी देखेंगे। Hi everybody.
Hi, mommy.
Hi Nirvan. So I have realized while editing my second vlog, I have realized that I did not make a end. Like end मैंने नहीं record किया. So this is the end of my second vlog. Guys, if you're liking my video, please subscribe it. Please let me know when you do puja at home, you do in the same way or is there any other way. I know more people will comment that there was no havan, but yes, it depends. We can, जब पंडित जी आते हैं, we can actually say that whether we want with havan or no.
Mommy. Hands up.
Why hands up? Hands up. Okay, so yes, so this is what happened. There was no havan, but yes, on Navya and Iman's birthday again we will do it, and we will keep with havan for sure. And let me know how you guys do सत्यनारायण पूजा आपके घर में कैसे करते हैं, जरूर बताइएगा. एंड प्लस बताइएगा कि आज थोड़ा नव्या का तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, तो आज थोड़ा सा See, this is what happened when you make videos at home. So yes, so now say please, look at the camera and say please subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, and please like my video. Guys, it's not about liking the video, it's about commenting on my video. Please do comment on the video and let me know how I can improve my channel more, and let me know, like I'm planning to have videos every twice a week, but let's see how it's gonna go. Not yet planned that, what. And let me know what is special, anything special you want to see in Dubai, and I'll try to cover it for all of you. I will cut it. I'll cut it.
Do you have a scissor?
Yes, I do have.
Pink one?
Yes.
Which pink one to cut that yet?
Yes, I have. I'll cut it. So yes, that's it, guys. For today's video, it's all about my the Shara Puja at home. And please again and again I will just say, because it's not about liking the video and subscribing, it's about giving me your comments and telling me whether you're liking it or you're not liking it, what sort of content you're looking for. Enough. This is what happened when you have twins at home and you do vlogging. Okay, now what you have to say something here. Now say, please subscribe my mom's channel, and please like and hit the bell icon. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
See you guys in my third vlog soon.